So this is part 3. Don't know why I keep streaming, but hey, who the fuck cares, right? Anyway, just made it back into town. Long ass ride, but it's totally worth it, man. Gonna get some soda. We stay out too late, and then we have troubles in the mornings, but we get over it during the day. Don't we all have that same issue? Ain't that right, Jamal? Holy shit, there's a lot of people texting me. Guys, don't be texting me during my YouTubing. The hell? Anyway, if you guys want to add me on Facebook, just search J-Lobe. Yes, it's a weird name. Forgive me for that. I'm used to making fake profiles. Jamal, do you want to give out your Insta?
Jamal_7202.
Jamal_7202.
Hell yeah.
And my bro, he's the greatest, believe me. Alright, later peeps.